Hello guys, and welcome to another makeup video for you. So today I am doing this video using no brushes. I'm just using my fingers to apply the makeup. So here I'm applying my concealer just over my eyelids, just using it as a base. And then I'm applying this beautiful purple shimmer color. And all products will be listed in the description box below. And I'm just adding a few layers of this onto my eyelid. I will say this shade was a little bit hard to apply on my lids. And then I'm adding this shimmery beige color. I'm just going to be adding this onto my lids as well. More towards the inner corner, but I applied it across my entire lids. And then I applied this beautiful pink lavender highlighter color in my inner corner of my eyes. And then I applied mascara. This I did use a brush for because it's kind of almost impossible to do with my finger. And then I'm taking that purple color and I'm applying that on my lower lash line. And then I realized afterwards I should have added concealer first before applying this purple color. And I'm applying the concealer anyway. I'm applying some on my chin and then on the bridge of my nose, and then a little bit on my forehead, which I will show in a second. There we go. And then a little bit on my cheeks, along my lips, or not along my lips, on my cheeks, along my nose. And then I'm adding some more of that pinkish lavender highlighter on my cheekbones. Just gives it a really pretty shimmer look. And then I'm applying some pink blush just to give myself a lovely pink glow. And then last but not least, I'm applying a nude gloss on my lips. I thought this is a really pretty shade. It's like a peachy pink nude. And guys, I'm applying mascara on my lower lash line because I forgot to add that step. And that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. I will see you soon. Bye!